Hi there everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a classic buttery scone. This recipe makes a lovely light and fluffy scone. Scones are really easy to make and you can whip them up in no time, so why not try making them? These scones are so delicious they won't last long when baked. Okay, time to start baking. We're going to start by preparing the wet ingredients. Pour the milk and cream into a cup. If you don't have cream, you can replace it with milk. This needs to be heated until it's just warm, not boiling. Now let's get started on the dry ingredients. Pour self-raising flour into a large bowl. Even though I'm using self-raising flour, I like to add extra baking powder as I find you get a lighter and nicer texture in your scones. Add the salt and give everything a good mix so that all the ingredients are combined. Next we add the butter, and I have a little tip for you here. Use frozen butter and grate it into the mixture. I find by doing this it really helps the scones to rise. Pop your hands into the bowl and make sure the butter is rubbed into the flour until it resembles large breadcrumbs. Add the sugar, and if you like fruit or chocolate chips in your scones you can add them now. Pour the lemon juice into the mixture and mix everything together. Now we just need to add the wet ingredients. Mix the vanilla extract into the warm milk. Pour it into the scone mixture. Mix with a spoon or your hands, whichever you prefer. Do this gently as you don't want to overwork the dough and toughen the flour. This is coming together nicely. When the dough forms a bowl, turn it out onto a floured work surface. Bring the dough gently together and flatten the top with your hands or a rolling pin. You want the thickness of 1.5 inches so you have a nice big scone. Once you have the thickness you like, dip the scone cutter into flour and cut out the scones. This cutter I'm using is 5 centimeters and should make about 12 scones. Place the scones in a lined baking tray which has been warmed in the oven. Brush the tops with a beaten egg. Be careful not to let the egg drip down the sides of the scone, as this can cause them not to rise. The egg glaze will give the scone a lovely golden colour when baked. Okay, fantastic, our scones are ready to go in the oven. Bake at 220 degrees Celsius, 430 Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes. Because the oven is so hot, scones bake really quick. Just check out these beauties. Allow the scones to cool slightly before serving. I like my scones warm, so let's try them. You can serve scones with butter, jam, cream, put whatever you like on them. I love them with lots of homemade clotted cream and jam. If you'd like to make clotted cream, check out my really easy to follow clotted cream video tutorial. I'll include a link in the description box below. Just look how gorgeous that is. These are so buttery, soft and fluffy. The outside is nice and crunchy, just how I like it. This is definitely a scone worth trying. Hope you enjoyed this video and thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on my easy to follow tutorials. See you all soon and happy baking everyone.
Scrummy!